Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Ito po ang tanong. The graph below shows the data related to foreign equity inflow or FEI for the 5 countries for 1997 and 1998. FEI is a ratio of foreign equity inflow to the country's GDP. Expressed as a percentage in the following graph, find the ratio between FEI for Malaysia in 1997 and FEI for Thailand in 1998. A. 7:25. B. 8:21. C. 6:11. D. 1067:582. And E. Cannot say. Now, to answer this kind of problem, napaka-easy lang po. Kasi itong tanong na ito, isa sa mga napaka-easy na nakita kong tanong with regards to understanding graphs and charts. Notice that we are trying, let me use here the pen, okay? We are trying to take the ratio for Malaysia in 1997 for the FEI and Thailand for 1998. You actually don't need too much computation as to this because you would see here that so yung Malaysia po, yung blue po yung 1997 natin, it's 10.67. And our Thailand for 1998 is 5.82. Without looking at any computational concerns, look at the ratio. It's Malaysia 1997 is to Thailand 1998. So it would be 10.67 is to 5.82. Now, some of you might say, baka may sagot yung dito in terms of A, B, and C, not just D where it's very obvious. But look at the ratio. This is even larger, mas malaki po ito kaysa sa 5.82. This would mean that any ratio that will have this value lower or smaller than this is already eliminated. Ibig sabihin, obviously, 7:25, di na po yung sagot. 8:21, di na po din yung sagot. And C, which is 6:11. Kasi nga, yung naunang number natin, 7, 8, and 6, are all respectively smaller than 25, 21, and 11. Automatically, it will not fit po yung ating ratio. Kasi there's no interchanging when it comes to ratio. 10.67 po dito, mas malaki sa 5.82. Obviously, these 3 are no longer possible. Just by looking into that, pwede na po natin i-assume that yung D ang sagot talaga. Without looking at any mathematical computations. Because again, looking at the values of 7, 8, and 6, they are all smaller. It will not fit this criteria po. But of course, if you would like to have mathematical computation, you can do this. Of course, you have 10.67, ratio can be written as a fraction po, 5.82. Diba? Parang ganun na rin yan. And since you have 2 decimal places, you move the decimal place here and here, you will have 1067 pala, over 582. Or in ratio form, you will have 1067 is to 582. This item po ay napaka-tricky. Kasi nga, some of us might think that baka may ibang equivalent na ratio dito sa A, B, and C. But look at, again, the values as this is larger than that. Only one option fits the criteria, and that's letter D po. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!